Good evening. Today I want to present my article Investigation and Comparative Analysis of Algorithm about Recognition of Micromimics for Analysis of Person Using Emotional AI. My name is Oleksandr Yaremchenko and I made it with cooperation with Petro Pukach. I'm from Polytechnic National University. So facial expressions are a universal system of signals which reflect the moment-to-moment fluctuations in a person's emotional state. At 1/25th at 1/25th of the second, microexpressions can be difficult to recognize and detect. Yet with microexpression training tools, you can learn to spot them in their occur in real time. When someone tries to conceal their emotions, leakage of the emotion will often be evident in their face. The leakage may show as a micro expression. Now you can see some faces from spontaneous micro expression corpus with emotions that is held in their data set. You can see that not all the emotions we are able to tell correctly, and sometimes we also make mistakes. We're trying to teach our system to make it perfectly. Some other faces, for example, talking about micro expressions, we cannot forget about Paul Eggman. In 1960s and 70s, Eggman and his colleagues conducted groundbreaking research on the universality of facial expressions. Paul Ekman also developed some tools for micromimics expressions for customers to get ready for recognizing the emotions and train to do it in every day for professionals in psychology and also people who is interested. The system is widely used in the psychology, computer science research, as well as in the development and emotional recognition technologies. Uh, so micromimics and significance in the field of emotional AI. As computers become increasingly integral part of our lives, there is a growing need of these systems to interact with the humans in more natural, intuitive way. By analyzing micromimics, computers can get better read a user's emotional state and respond accordingly. This can improve user experience and make interactions with computer more seamless and intuitive. Emotions recognition in AI, as artificial intelligence become more sophisticated, it is increasingly important for these systems to accordingly interpret the human emotions. Micromimics can provide the nuanced understanding of human emotions, even those that an individual might try to conceal. This can greatly improve the artificial intelligence's ability to respond appropriately to your human emotion states. Mental health assessment. Recognizing and understanding the individual's emotion state is crucial in the realm of the mental health. By analyzing micromimics, practitioners can gain the better understanding of the personal emotional state. Even the individual struggles to articulate their feelings. This could potentially lead to early detection of more effective treatment of mental health conditions. Applications. Microexpression and micromimics, when analyzed through artificial intelligence, can greatly benefit the variety of industries, like examine a few real-world applications. Human resources and recruitment. Today, some companies are already using artificial intelligence, and this can assist in making the more informed hiring decisions by understanding better verbal responses. Customer service companies can use artificial intelligence to evaluate customer micro expressions real time during the customer service interactions. This can provide instant feedback about the customer satisfaction and dissatisfaction, allowing the representative and adjust their approach accordingly. Healthcare. About the healthcare, we can say that artificial intelligence can be trained to recognize micro expressions that may indicate the certain medical conditions. Retail. This help us to provide available data for tailoring marketing strategies and improving customer experience. Security and fraud detection. This sector, like banking and insurance, artificial intelligence can be used to analyze micro expressions to detect the possible fraudulent behavior and dishonesty. Training and development. Companies use artificial intelligence to analyze the employee micro expressions during the training session, providing the insight and their engagement and understanding of the material. This can lead to more effective personalized training programs. Today is already some companies that are using artificial intelligence, emotional artificial intelligence with micro mimics. Higher View, the Utah-based company, uses AI-driven assessment during the job interviews to analyze the candidates' facial expressions, language, and speech patterns. Effectiva, originally a spin-off of the Meet Media Lab, Effectiva provides the emotional AI software that can interpret complex emotion and cognitive states of the facial expressions and vocal cues. Iris. This company specializes in AI software that can recognize the cabin behaviors and vehicle occupants, including the facial expressions, body language, and the actions. Beyond verbal, the company focuses on analyzing vocal intonations and understanding the people's health conditions and emotional states. Noldus Information Technologies. This company offers a tool for observing and analyzing behavior with advanced software. It's used for in various fields, including the psychology, user experience, human factors, and consumer behavior research. Emotion, acquired by Apple. Emotion is used to provide the technologies that could detect emotions, analyzing facial expressions. While the company was acquired by Apple, its technology is expected to be integrated in some Apple products some way grows. Sonic Routine, the number of microexpressions publications from 2011 to 2020, you can see in this graph. Starting for 2018, the Microexpressions Grand Challenge workshop is started, which is a part of IEE International Conference. Automated face and gesture recognition helped to populate the subject within the computer vision and machine learning communities. Open source spontaneous micro expression datasets. Here you can see the three datasets from Chinese Academy of Science micro expressions. There are three different depending. We will look at this in next table. And one more SMIC spontaneous micro expression corpus. And the last is SAM spontaneous actions and micro movements. In this table, we can see the difference between these table data sets and understand that they have different emotional classes, different video resolutions, different frame rate, and different ethnics. Also, number of participants. This all everything is depending to the final result that can have in this case of learning artificial intelligence systems. For me, I found the four most effective ways and datasets that was published in Scopus. The best one is in 2019 by again et al. Using the feature of deep learning method of ApexNet dataset CASME2. The accuracy was 88%, 88.28%. So let's go to the conclusion. Microexpression detection study is at a quite early stage of development. There are several open source datasets containing the microexpressions of people, different ethnic groups, ages with a different number of emotions and also different bit rates. Available datasets are open for research but closed for commercial usage and development of real useful products. There are closed companies that do not provide the data research methods and their results, which propose some risk of violating scientific ethics in process of research and use of the fruits of their works. Thank you. That's all.